Scott. How can I help you?
Hi, Scott. Good morning. My name's Patrick. I'm with Cleaning.
Yeah.
So we offer a non-toxic dry cleaning system that cuts costs, eliminates hazardous waste, and includes full technical and marketing support. Have you considered switching to a safe and eco-friendly option for your dry cleaning system?
No, not really. I'm still on an old transfer machine right now.
Are you? Is it PERC?
No, it's hydrocarbon.
Oh, so you're using hydrocarbon? Okay.
Right.
All right. Well, just so you're aware, because the way our solution works, it's made from pure liquid silicone, which is an odorless, non-toxic fluid that's also found in personal care products like hair conditioner, sunscreen, moisturizers, and anti-aging products. And it's guaranteed not to contaminate the property, and it's not regulated by the EPA. And a lot of others are, carbon-based and considered a ground contaminant or volatile organic compounds.
And I'm looking to make a move and get a new machine here probably within the next year.
The next year?
This election and everything, and next year.
Yeah.
COVID or anything.
No, yeah, we understand. Yeah, because at this stage we really just want to do. We just really want to get you up to speed about our solution. So when you are ready to make the switch, you might think of us before anybody else.
Yeah. Touch base with me.
Well, how about this? Well, just real quick. So, being environmentally non-toxic with our solution can allow you to eliminate hazardous waste fees and other regulatory expenses. So, dry cleaners who switch to our process have saved over 50% utilities and have seen an annual increase in sales in the double digits. And that's due to new customer acquisition and ability to clean more garments than with traditional dry cleaning solvents. So, So the reason I was calling, because again, at this stage, the consultation is free just to help you learn. And so I was calling to see, would you be open to a 15-minute introductory phone call with my business development manager just to kind of educate you more about it? I kind of just gave you a brief synopsis. Would you be open to an introductory phone call with her on Thursday?
Probably not at this time.
Okay, can I send you an email about it?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, what is your email address?
Cleaners.net.
Cleaners.net. So do you currently dry clean on the premises?
Yes.
Okay, and so you're using hydrocarbon is your current solution, your solvent? Okay. Okay, and you said you're going to be in the market to buy a new machine next year.
Yes.
Okay. How about this? So can she send you an email? Would it be okay if she gave you a call back towards the end of the week?
Fine.
Okay. All right. So you don't want to put it on the calendar, but she can. Can we put it on the calendar on Friday?
Sure.
Okay. What time on Friday would be a good time to put on the calendar?
Probably around noon our time.
And that's Central Time, right?
Right.
Okay, so 12 o'clock. And then so your email is it's cleaners@.net.
Yes.
Okay, great. So I'm going to send you an email and then give you a calendar invite for a phone call for November 8th at 12 o'clock on Friday.
All right. Appreciate it.
All right, Scott. We look forward to connecting that way.